Okay, here I'm pulling all the nails out, going through all the broken pieces and seeing what I can salvage to put this bench back together. Okay, the backstory to this bench, it was my wife's, made by her favorite uncle many, many years ago. We've had it over 30 years. Somebody tripped, fell on it, and smashed it into a million pieces. So this is my attempt at recovering it and putting it back to the way it was, saving all the parts that I can save from the original. Okay, now I'm going through all the broken pieces and seeing what I have to remake to make this thing happen. Ready to cut some new lumber to make replacement parts. Yeah, I know it's an old crummy piece of wood, but I just hate throwing away wood, and you can actually make some pretty cool stuff out of old wood. Just clean it up. Okay, now it's time to start seeing if I can put this thing together. Just a couple of more cuts to get the final pieces. Okay, had to sand everything down just a little bit. Sand the painted parts so the paint would stick. and the raw parts just to get them smooth. Okay, it looks like I forget to hit the record button when I put these slats on, but I've just got the 3 on the back and the 4 on the bottom, and the rest are still to go. Changing up the view so you can see it from the side instead of a bird's eye. This is pretty much not a toy, but say a doll's bench, so it doesn't require a lot. The glue will do most of the work. I'm put a couple of pin nails in just to secure it till the glue dries, and that'll be fine. Okay, that one was just a tad too long, so I'm going to just shave the edge off of the end of it on the bandsaw. Okay, now it's time for the arms. Let's see if we can get those on there. 2 more slats, and I think we got this thing wrapped up. Yeah, they were a tad long too, so I had to shave them down. All's good. Alright, that wraps up the construction. Now it's time to get ready to paint. Just a little tip, anytime you're in Lowe's, go over by the paint department. They've got a shelf over there that they sell paint real cheap. It's samples or whatever. It's in a little 1-pint jar or 1-pint can. Sell it for $1. If you're not picky about your colors for little projects, it's a pretty good way to get paint. On this one, I had just happened to luck out. It's identical blue to what this bench originally was. So score. It's amazing how long it takes to paint such a little bench. Alright, she's finally done. What do you think? Will Mama approve? Looks a lot bluer when you take it outside. Finished product, folks. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. You have a great day. Bye-bye.